Hello and welcome to Art Crafts and DIYs. Subscribe to our channel for easy and fun follow-along drawing tutorials. Today we'll draw E for elephant. Paper, pen, pencil and eraser for drawing and coloring supplies of your choice. हम स्टार्ट करेंगे by drawing the capital letter E like so. Alright? All you have to do is draw the capital letter E like so. Once you're done with this, we'll turn the paper around like so that we have a sleeping E. Now, starting from this point to this point here, we'll draw a circular shape like this. Okay? So we draw a circular shape like so. Alright? Now we draw another circular shape like this. एक और circular shape हम draw करेंगे यहाँ पे for the head. This is the back of the elephant and this is the head of the elephant. Now we will draw the ears, जिसके लिए हम एक slant line ऐसे बनाएंगे and then we'll bring it in a curve like so and join it here. We'll do the same thing on the other side. We draw a slant line like so and we bring it down in form of butterfly wings and join it to the bottom like so. Now we draw the tail of the elephant, which is just two lines like this and a drop. Okay, we're done with the drawing of the elephant. We're also drawing its feet. And now we'll start the coloring. And our elephant is all done.